guys, what's up? See, Smith. Oh, wonder how those blocks got there. I don't think those were supposed to be there. But anyway, this is episode 2 for Skyblock series, where all of the world is sky blue, like Skyblock. Let's move our bed because I think it's in an awkward position first of all. Sorry about that. Well, let's keep mining cobblestone to start. So I just did a little bit since last episode. But I think we're gonna complete another challenge today because it looks like, where is it? Here it is, okay. Because it looks like that I just built a house. I just built a house. I know that doesn't count, and I just built this door for no reason. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna cross it off the list, so let me just do that. Okay, build a house, there we go. 2 challenges done. Well, anyway, let's see what we can do this episode. Let's build a furnace this time so we complete another challenge this episode. So I'm just going to do that. So there we go. I'll place it right there. Okay. And let's heat this. Oh, how are we gonna do that? Oh, I just built this for no reason. Anyway, I'll be right back because I need to do something. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done. I just went to creative mode and switched the door. So now actually I did not build a house. So let me cross that off the list. Get it out because I didn't do that. Oh, and also I can add that I built a furnace. Yes, I built a furnace. Okay, and I built a bed. Let's do that. So we've got 3 challenges done. Good, yay. Now, anyway, what I wanted to do this episode is build an infinite water source. You probably know how that's gonna work. We just need lots of cobblestone. So I think let's make our infinite water source a 6 by 6. 6 by 6 means 36 cobblestone, so we're gonna get that. Plus another 12, that's 48. So we're gonna need 48 cobblestone for this. 48 cobblestone. Wish I hadn't built that door, because that messed me up, really. Okay, we need 48. We've got 21. Looks like we're halfway there. Let's use my wooden one, even though it's not efficient. I want to use it for something. yeah, we've almost got the first 4 challenges done. That's surprising. I don't know what I'm going to do here. Maybe I'm just going to make this. I'm not sure what the first thing I'm gonna do on the island is. You know, like building wise, farming wise. I'm not sure. On just 7 more. Flowing water makes a horrible noise once in a while. A really annoying noise. Really annoying noise. Flowing water. It makes an annoying noise. Oh, 1 more cobblestone and then we'll be done with this. Oh, yes! 48 cobblestone, finally. Alright, I think I'm gonna build it over here or over here, I'm not sure. Oh, let's do it over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, fire. Oh, good thing I didn't go in there, because that'd be horrible. There we go. Huh. Perfect. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And let's get our ice. Put it right there. And the rest of our water, put it there. And voila, we have an infinite water source. The first 4 challenges complete. There we go. Alright, so, this has, well, wait, let's destroy that because it might be harmful. I don't know if that's even a word. Harmful? Maybe. Let's just destroy our little mini hut. Sorry about that. That was just my mom. I had to eat something. But anyway, looks like we're doing pretty good on our Skyblock world. So, yeah. Wait, let me just open text edit again. Okay, there we go. So, I wanted to try and do one more thing this episode. I'm not sure what. Maybe let's try to do this. Yeah, let's do that. Alright. There we go. I built a cactus farm. Ta-da! Cross that on the list. Cross that off the list. Oops. There. Alright, 5 challenges complete. Now we've still got 1 more minute. Well, let's sleep for the time being. I wanted to make a set of stone axes. Well, not stone axes. Let's place that there so the cobblestone doesn't go off the edge. That looks like enough. Let's make another set of stone axes. Alright, there's a stone pick, stone shovel, stone axe, and a stone sword. Alright, looks like we're pretty prepared right here. Well, anyway, that was the end of the 2nd episode of Skyblock. Hope you enjoyed it. This is E. Smith signing out. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye. Oh, I won't let me sleep. I wanna go to sleep.